Today I'm going to show you how to find the perfect trade entry. Where do you go and find the trade entry that will be the perfect entry? Well, there is no magic system, as I've always told you guys. There's no magic system in the stock market. Where did you think you're going to find a magic system or magic strategy? You watch all the videos, we check everything, and we never find the magic strategy. And that's because you have to understand that when you take a trade, you've got a 50-50 chance of whether it's going to go long, whether it's going to go short, whether it's going to go for you, whether it's going to go against you. There's no 100% system. It doesn't exist. But I'm going to show you how I get my perfect entries today. Then you can follow that by all means and check it out and do that. You don't have to follow my system. I always maintain, do not change your system every 5 minutes if you can help it. If it's working for you, use it. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just going to show you what I do and we can take it from there. Hey, it's not guilty. It's logical trading. Don't forget, trading is risky. You might lose money trading. And if you don't like losing money, don't trade. And while you're here, go and check out my secret blog. Free trade there every day. It's not trading advice, it's just an idea, just for you guys to enjoy. It's always nice to see what somebody else is doing. Free Forex book on the side. I think on the phone it might be at the bottom, but it's usually on the side on the blog. Take the free Forex book. I want nothing back for it. It's all good, guys. Let's get to it. Let me show you how I look for sniper entries, and let's take it from there. What I normally do is, quite simply, take a chart like this, and then I'll just put it on a line chart, because you get the points much easier when you go on a line chart. And I'll simply move it to a higher time frame. So there I was on the 4 hours, so I'm going to move it to the day. Okay. And I'm just going to, let's take it down a bit so we get a bit more of a flat curve and easier to see. Now what you do is you simply look for 3 points. You need 3 points. Take my blocky. Okay. And I want it as close as possible to the trade as I can get it, because I actually want to trade. So let's have a look and see what we've got. We can put it in around about there. There's your points all lining up rather nicely, I think. Yep, that's perfect. And there you go. You've got looks like a support level. Then all you've got to do, guys, is take it back to the candle chart and then move it down a time frame where you were trading. So in this case, I was trading the 4 hour. Let me just make the chart a little bit more viewable so we can see what's going on. Now you can see we've actually got a possible long trade coming up here. Now the sniper entry is, right, I mean, you can go down further time frames. You can go down to 1 hour, you can go down to 15 minutes, you can go down to 5 minutes. I prefer to trade the 4 hour or the 1 hour. I'm going to just do it on the 4 hour here and show you. What I'll do is I'll wait for this price to come back into this level, and then I'll take the trade and wait for it to get back to this profit level over here. So effectively the trade's going to look something like this. Buy in, take the trade long, and put a stop loss below the last low. I won't go all the way to the bottom here. I'll take it below that low, somewhere in the middle of this long green bar. And actually, if I see that my trade is invalidating down here, I'll simply get out. If I see my trade as being more successful up there, I'll simply trade more, add to the trade. And that's as simple as the sniper entry gets. It's as easy as that. You can also use, for example, let's just remove these drawings. You can take a trend line, draw a trend line in, and you'll see there's actually a lot of confluence on this trend line right about there. And if you want to see if this is a good channel or not, you can just take the trend line. I don't know if you can do it here. Yes, you can. Just move it up a little bit and see if it's kind of lining up somewhere down here on about 3 or 4 points. And it is. Yeah, there you go. You have got some sort of confluence on top. So you have got a channel. So you can actually draw a channel in here. And you have actually got a channel. Now, if it trades in that channel, it's going to come down to where your support level was, bounce off there and go all the way back up to 137 up at the top there most likely, or it could come up to about 136. It's a fantastic trade. So that is my perfect trading entry. That's how I operate. That's how I manage my risk, because as you know, I'm a big thing about managing your risk, because that's how we trade. That's the only rule you need to trade, guys. Manage your risk. Thanks for watching. Check out my last video and don't forget to follow and subscribe. Till next time, guys. Bye.